Take the Google Cybersecurity Professional certificate here on Coursera in front of me. Hundreds of thousands of students have enrolled since its launch earlier this year, has a 4.9 out of 5-star rating. This certificate program specifically focuses on a complete beginner's mindset and exposes you to a lot of different tools, technologies, and core skills to help you get started in cybersecurity. This certificate program is divided into 8 total modules or courses here, and each of these specifically focuses on a set of skills that are necessary to getting started in this industry. So starting with the foundations of cybersecurity, we would quickly move into all of the topics that I've talked about here previously, including network and network security, learning Linux and SQL, learning about the different attacks, and each of these curriculums focuses on a specific set of skills with a hands-on practical approach. So as you can tell from the page here, many students have reported positive career outcomes due to taking the certificate programs on Coursera, specifically here with the Cybersecurity Professional Certificate. After finishing the certificate program, you can upload the certificate to LinkedIn with a LinkedIn badge, as well as put this onto your resume. And what's really cool about this certificate program in particular is that you get access to interview preparation, such as resume review, learning how to write nice resumes, going through mock interviews, as well as just general career support and going through Coursera's specific job listings and search guide for this particular program.